Hello guys and welcome. Today I'll be showing you guys how to use a SodaStream which doesn't use electricity. This is just manual, one push button, and I'll be making cola, which is basically 50% less sugar. But start from step one. You want to go ahead and open up this canister because this one does not use electricity. So squeeze the size, pop it out. Take your new CO2 right here, and then you want to go underneath this hole, and then you want to make sure it seats in here. Okay, seats it in here, and twist it clockwise, righty tighty. Tight enough, not over tighten it, or you're going to screw the thread in here. Seats correctly, good. Put this cover back on, and now we're ready to pump. And you want to make sure your water bottle is right up to that line right here. Don't go over. You can go over just a tiny bit, but you know, it's right to be at this line. And what you want to do is you want to shove it in here, push it up. Okay, you don't need a twist, just push it up and push in, and it will lock just like that. And for me, I use 2 pumps. 2 pumps for me is already spicy or carbonated already. You can do however many pumps you guys want. Me, I recommend 2 pumps. But you can do 3 if you want more bubbly. 5 is like spicy bubbly. But I use 2 pumps. So for the first pump, you want to hold on to it until you hear this little fizzy noise, which I will see if I can get the camera close to you guys. Like this. Press and hold. So when you hear that, you're just gonna wait until it fizzes out. Okay, and press your desired pump again until you hear the other fizzy noise. There, 2 pumps, and just let it rest. You can do more if you want, but I do 2. I just wait for the gas to settle down for a bit, and now I pull it out. There we go. And since I got this cola, it shows you right here, you know, how your bottle water first. Fill up your water to the line, fizz the water, and fill cap to desired flavoring level. 1/3 of the cap is 0.5 liters. 1 liter is like recommended for like a regular flavor soda, and then fill up the whole cap. You get like sweet of a soda flavor. I use half cap because you know it tastes like regular soda. I'm pretty sure you guys can see that line in there. So I fill it up halfway with cola syrup. This is just straight syrup. There we go. That's too much. A little too much. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's better. And now I'll just pour it in here into my SodaStream. Oh, you can hear that fizz. Yeah. Okay. Put the cap back on over here. Get my cap, which is over there. Close it tight, but not too tight, but close it tight. And then what you want to do is you don't want to shake it, you just want to like gently do it like that. Let the syrup mix in there. And then take a sip. Listen to this. Oh yeah. And drink. Hear that fizz. Ah, that is great. 2 pumps is enough already. I like it. That's good. Tastes like Coke. And there you guys have it. SodaStream one touch button. See you guys later.